Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of manually adding new members to your organization in NordPass. Before we begin, please note that you can use our user and group provisioning services to quickly add new members and groups via third-party identity providers like Microsoft Entra ID. For a detailed walkthrough of these procedures, refer to a separate video explaining each step. As the owner or admin of an organization, you can invite new members by email by importing a CSV or TXT file, or by sending them an invitation link, the latter being the easiest option. If you want to add members by email, all you need to do is enter the email addresses of the members you want to invite. If you want to invite members using a link, simply type in the company's domain and generate the link. Copy the generated link to share it with the members you want to invite. Please note that only members whose email addresses belong to your company's domain will be able to join your organization. If you want to add members by importing a CSV or TXT file, a CSV file should include all email addresses filled out in the same column and divided with semicolons. Choose the members you want to invite from the file and click Send. Now we will show you how you can check whether members accepted your invitation. You can see all the members in the Members Management section, including those who are active, pending, suspended, waiting for master password recovery, and deleted. To see members who haven't joined your organization yet, go to the Pending section. Here, you can resend an invitation to any member who hasn't accepted it yet. Fantastic! You now know how to invite new members to your organization in NordPass. If you still have any questions about onboarding users or NordPass in general, please reach out to our support team for assistance. Stay safe!